This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, October 17th. Stock index futures are higher in light of mostly better than expected U.S. bank earnings reports. We had the S&P and Dow futures both hitting record highs this morning. Futures continued to advance despite the bearish interest rate implications of this morning's mostly stronger than expected economic reports. Technical aspects still appear to be supportive to stock index futures, so looks like there may be some follow-through strength across the board in the indices. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index advanced to its highest level since August 2nd in the overnight trade, and there were follow-through gains when the 7:30 U.S. economic reports were released. Interest rate differentials continue to support the greenback, and higher prices are likely for the dollar, and lower prices appear to be likely for most foreign currencies. And in the interest rate futures markets, seeing futures coming under some pressure with those 7:30 reports coming in stronger, putting pressure across the board, though especially at the long end of the curve, the 30-year Treasury bond futures. And it still looks like the long end of the curve futures will probably underperform relative to futures at the front of the curve. Still looks like the Fed is on track to lower interest rates at its November 7th meeting, although there is a likelihood that the Fed will be slower to come to accommodation in light of several reports that have been stronger than expected. So it still looks like the Fed will be cutting rates, but I believe at a slower pace. And it still looks like futures at the long end of the curve will probably underperform relative to futures at the front of the curve. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.